Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Setiana. My student's number 1811040395. And here I would like to explain about the material. It's about code mixing. Well, code mixing is the change of one language to another within the same utterance or in the same oral or written text. It is a common phenomenon in society in which two or more languages are used. Studies of code mixing enhance our understanding of the nature, process, and constraints of language and of the relationship between language use and individual values, communicative strategies, language attitudes, and function within particular socio-cultural contexts. Code mixing refers to any admixture of linguistic elements of two or more language systems in the same utterance at a various levels, such as phonological, lexical, grammatical, and orthographical. Most people or speakers usually occupy more than one code or require a selected code whenever they choose to speak with other people. And the phenomenon of people having two or more than two codes or languages is called with bilingual or multilingualism. Um, Bilingual is with another word is people usually use their own idiom for in-group communication and the common language for their interaction and communication with outside. In this case, the bilinguals have a repertoire of domain-related rules of language choice in meaning that bilinguals are able to choose with which language that he or he is going to use. Uh, Now it's about the type of code mixing. The first one is insertion. The concept of insertion is defined as a insertion of material such as lexical item or entire constituent from one language into a structure from the other language. According to Muskind, approaches that differ from the nation of insertion of the what is it of the constraint in the term of the structural properties of some base or metric structure. The second is alternation. Approaches departing from alternation view the constraint or mixing in terms of the compatibility or equivalent of the language involved at the switch point. And conjunction and opposition are incorporated through adjunction rather than insertion. And the last one is about concurrent lexicalization. The nation or concurrent lexicalization underlies the study of style shifting and dialect or standard variation. Rather than bilingual language use. Concurrent lexicalization is akin to language variation and style shifting switching in grammatically unconstrained and can be characterization in the term of alternation lexical insertion.
Pilihan kampus masih galau atau udah menemukan mana nih yang mau dipilih? Kemarin kan soal itu kan?
Sekarang sih sebenarnya aku udah punya kecenderungan ke salah satu pilihan itu gitu ya. Cuman
Harvard atau Stanford?
mungkin nanti di reveal-nya. Tapi sebenarnya udah milih.
Sebetulnya udah milih. Tapi kan sebetulnya yang Harvard itu kamu apply-nya pendidikan, education. Kalau yang Stanford business administration.
Iya. Iya.
Memang pilihannya waktu itu memilih major yang berbeda di dua kampus yang berbeda atau pertimbangannya apa?
Ini kayak bakalan bocor juga sih. Jadi aku tuh sebenarnya awalnya dari dulu tuh punya mimpi ngambil MBA Stanford itu. Tapi karena susah banget masuknya, acceptance rate-nya tuh kecil, terus apa ya namanya ya, terus kalau setiap aku baca dan nge-browsing, pokoknya ceritanya serem-serem, pokoknya you'll never.
Sebetulnya.
Mimpi dari lulus S1 kali ya gitu. Lulus S1 tuh mulai kepengen gitu.
What's so special about it?
It's because
Apa karena memang masuknya susah jadi tertantang, atau ada something yang lain?
ada something yang lain sih, karena sebenarnya teman aku ada beberapa yang lulusan situ gitu. Dan dari cerita-cerita mereka, they feel like they've really grown dari that experience. Terus aku memang interested in business juga and like technology kayak gitu-gitu, dan the idea of studying deket banget dari Silicon Valley, terus abis itu just exposure to inspirational.
Based on the video from Najwa Shihab's YouTube channel, she talked with Mauri Ayunda. So code mixing that I have get on their conversation is the first one. Tapi sebenarnya yang Harvard itu kamu apply di jurusan pendidikan. And the second one is memang pilihannya waktu itu memilih major yang berbeda di dua kampus yang berbeda atau bagaimana, Najwa said. And the third one is pokoknya kalau aku baca browse it, pokoknya ceritanya serem-serem. You will never get it lah, and etc. And the fourth is apa karena masuknya susah jadi tertarik atau ada something yang lain. And the fifth is dan dari cerita-cerita mereka they feel like a big ground and experience terus. And the last one is aku emang interest ke bisnis juga and like technology juga. Like that. Maybe that's all about the explanation about code mixing. It can be conclusion that Maudi Ayunda is bilingualism languages because she can talk with two language, Indonesian and English. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.